are at the Independence mine site here.
In Hatcher Pass.
This is Hatcher Pass. So we're here doing that. And we're going to walk around here, then we're going to go and hike.
We'll find out if we make it back or if we die in the wilderness.
The 6 nomads today.
Yep.
We got 6 nomads.
And we may just hike around the
And
mine.
we've already met a cute young couple that is from St. Augustine.
That's right. And then one guy was actually moved up here with his wife. He went to school at Flagler College. Was originally from Maryland, I think.
Yep, St. Mary's.
And so he moved to Alaska last year. He has not gotten his first royalty check from the oil company, but it should be soon. Yeah, check's in the mail. Yeah, he said $3,500 a person, and including children. So if you have a dozen children, you could have a stable income. We are going to make a new intro for the Journey to Alaska YouTube series featuring the 4 nomads. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
So we want you to continue following our journey. We'll see you later.
Bye.
All right.
This is the red cabins looking from the visitor center, which is actually the gold mines manager's office here. You see the mountains around here, the site. So finishing the panoramic view, looking around the mine area. It's an International Harvester refrigerator. How about that? Never seen that before.
This is Gold Cord Lake.
We're in the visitor center, which used to be the mine manager's home. Nice fireplace. I really like that. There's a player piano. Gold was a seductive mistress who lured to Alaska's wilderness thousands seeking their fortune during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Hard rock mining.
Oh, there was a Nelson.
Independence Mine during the late 30s and early 40s was the most productive hard rock gold mine in south central Alaska. Pictured here is Robert Lee Hatcher, who staked the first hard rock gold claim in the area in 1906. Over 150,000 ounces of gold were recovered from Independence Mine between 1936 and 1943. Independence Mine was the second largest gold producer in the Willow Creek mining district. Prior to World War II, Willow Creek was the second largest hard rock gold producing district in Alaska. Juneau Mining District was the largest. In 1936, the Alaska Pacific Mine and Wasilla Mining Company began development of Independence Mine and Camp. Independence Mine was a popular place to work. After being supplied with the basics, employees were enticed to stay with other benefits such as high wages, $7.50 a day, modern, well-constructed living quarters, and the food was excellent. It was renowned throughout the region. Families were permitted to build their own dwellings along the road to the mine, what became known as Independent Village or Boom Town. At its peak in 1941, the company employed 204 workers, blasted almost 12 miles of tunnels, and recovered 34,000 ounces of gold worth today about $18 million. In 1943, the mine temporarily shut down because of the war efforts. The mining operation never returned to its pre-war days, and the mine closed for good in 1951. Air pipe, tool and timber chute, ladder to 1,500 feet. Here's a quartz vein. There's granite. So this is what some of the mining buildings look like still. This is an engine, old engine here. That's a diesel engine that was running in the power plant. Atlas Imperial Diesel Engine Company. But look at that guy, 8-cylinder. This is the engine plate number on that. 514 RPMs, 275 horsepower. It's like an air compressor. And there's an apartment house I think that might have been for the married residents. The 4 apartments in this building were living quarters for married supervisors with families, such as mill, mine, and shop foremen. Also look at the mine buildings there. It's all caving in. See, the buildings just how they are deteriorating. It's just the mine has left the way it was when it was closed. So we are at 3,500 feet. It's a water tunnel. Before the completion of the water tunnel, all material was moved in and out of the mine by aerial train. After its completion, the water tunnel became the main portal for the mine. Supplies entered the mine through this tunnel, as did the men on their way to their work shift. Through this portal, the battery-powered locomotive hauled ore to the mill and wasted rock to the dump. The development of this tunnel in 1940 to 1941 greatly improved the efficiency of mining operations. The horizontal tunnel connected with the upper level workings and became the backbone of the underground operation. Instead of moving material bucket by bucket, it can be brought in and out of the water tunnel by electric train load. Or on the railroad tracks, it got 2 ways it could go. Coming out of the mine over here. Well, a beam's still in here. I'd like to have some of that old wood, that'd be nice. Here's where they drilled holes into the rock for blasting mining cars. There's how they dump that stuff out. Hey, there's their batteries. This was an electric locomotive that moved the ore in and out of the tunnel, horizontal tunnel. There's another battery bank. The mine train was first used at the Independence in 1940 during the development of the water tunnel. Having a portal and a train at mill level dramatically improved access to the mine and expedited the removal of ore and waste rock. The locomotive was a 4-ton GE locomotive, was powered by Edison nickel iron alkaline batteries, totaling 85 volts. These batteries require charging 3 to 4 times per week at a charging station adjacent to the mine shop. This wraps up our tour of the Independence mine. We get back into the car and run over the Hatcher Pass. We cross Hatcher Pass and come to Summit Lake, which you'll see is completely or almost completely iced over. A beautiful place high in the mountains. This is Summit Lake. We are on Summit Lake. Look at that. The mountains. We just went past the Hatcher Pass. It was about 6,000 feet. And it's raining.
God is bigger.
So we are here in downtown Anchorage, and Michael is paying the park for us. He's doing it on the Apple Pay, and he has to do it on his cell phone. So we're going to come down here and have a bite to eat.
Halibut.
Halibut.
Of course, when in Alaska, eat halibut.
Eat halibut.
Or salmon, but I like halibut better.
So here we are. So I really like this mural that's on here. But this concludes the video of our visit to the Independence Mine and our dinner at 49th State Brewery. Thanks for watching.